writing style, engaging. Hey everyone, I'm diving deep into a shocking scandal that's rocked Zimbabwe and caught the attention of the world. Recently, a groundbreaking Al Jazeera documentary called The Gold Mafia pulled back the curtain on a massive gold smuggling operation in Zimbabwe, directly implicating some of the highest-ranking officials in the country. Now let me walk you through what this all means and why it's causing such a stir. Zimbabwe, known for its vast mineral wealth, especially gold, is ranked the 6th largest producer in Africa. However, it seems not all that glitters is legally traded. The documentary revealed an intricate network involving government officials and the ruling party, smuggling vast amounts of gold to Dubai every month. This isn't just about smuggling, it's intricate money laundering with shell companies, fake invoices, and officials being paid off to look the other way. The exposure from this documentary has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe. People are outraged. They're calling for accountability and transparency in a country that's been plagued by economic and social challenges. But here's what makes the scandal even more intriguing. The leader of the main opposition, Nelson Chamisa, tweeted that this documentary only shows the tip of the iceberg. According to him, the real issue is the corrupt, rotten and broken leadership that has destroyed what he calls a jewel and great country. This isn't just a local issue. The implications are international. The route these smuggled goods take ends up in Dubai, a major global player, which complicates the situation with international laws and relations. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? With the cat out of the bag, the citizens are demanding more than just words. They want actions. Reforms that uproot corruption and restore governance that truly serves the people. The demand for justice is clear, but the path to achieving it, that remains to be seen. What do you think needs to be done to tackle such deeply rooted corruption? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're intrigued by these kinds of geopolitical dynamics and want to stay updated, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives like this one. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.